Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and I have a really fun and interesting DIY trick for you guys to try today at home. So as you know, I generally post all of my DIYs about home decor, or I'm posting about my interior design makeover transformations. Those are obviously still going to continue, but I decided to switch things up a little bit today, which is why I am fresh-faced and in my bathroom. And today I'm going to share with you my top 3 favorite DIY beauty tricks. These are very easy to do. I swear by them. They're life-changing. They're going to change your life too. So check out what we did, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please help your girl out and subscribe to my channel below to see awesome, more cool DIY and home makeover videos coming at ya. DIY beauty trick number 1, you guys. This one is so awesome. I think that you're gonna like it, especially all you blondes out there. So I am a blonde-ish, kind of darkish right now, but anyways, my eyebrows tend to be very, very light, and I think that it's really annoying to use a pencil when I'm doing my makeup and color them in all the time. Takes too long, don't like it. Anyways, I have a fun little trick, and this is my DIY beauty hack number 1. That's probably my go-to favorite, and it's using Just for Men beard dye to tint your eyebrows. This is such a quick and easy trick, and it's so cool, and it lasts for probably a solid week and a half. So skip in the penciling in your eyebrows and do this trick, and you can almost even shape them how you would if you were using an eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna show you how. So I have started already out, I already kind of, whatever kind of eyebrow brush that you have, I went ahead and kind of brushed up the shape of how I like my eyebrows to be. Again, you can use whatever brush that you have. This is just the one that I have, and that's step 1. And then step 2 is we're gonna mix this bad boy up. So your little kit is going to come, I personally use this medium dark brown one, but you can, if you obviously have darker hair, you could get darker, or if you have red hair, you could get red. Your little kit is going to come with this little tray here, which mine looks kind of dirty because I've used it a million times. And then it's also going to come with this developer and this color. So it works just kind of like hair dye, essentially. So you literally just put in one little dollop of each of this. There's one there. And another one. And I like to just use a Q-tip to kind of mix this all up. And it's going to be this really dark, scary looking brown color, but don't freak out. This, when you are doing this, it kind of does seem a little scary because your eyebrows get so dark, but don't worry. They will look awesome afterwards. And there's your little mixture, and that's about all that you need because, hey, your eyebrows are small. And what I like to do is I have an old this was an eyeliner that I got in an Ipsy bag or something, and it ran out of the marker part or whatever. I literally kind of cut the edge, and because it's dried out, but you could use whatever you want to use to do your pencil. You could use a really fine, you could even cut the Q-tip, the end of the Q-tip and do it, but I just personally like this, so feel free to do whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put my little, I'm gonna almost draw on my eyebrows with this marker. So let me show you. So now that I have my my Just for Men's beard dye here on my little guy here, I'm just going to do my eyebrows as I normally would, and I'm looking in a mirror because it's really hard to do this on a video. And even if you don't have like a lot of eyebrows, it almost like it like stains your skin a little bit. So, and it will last for like a good week, maybe a week and a half. I think I did mine about a week ago, so I like to do them almost every week. But I just like darker eyebrows, not saying that if you have lighter eyebrows that it's not cute. I just personally like mine to be darker. So something that looks like this is kind of what I'm gonna go with here. And you can even, you know, if you get it on your eye, you can always just like use a Q-tip again and wipe it off. We're gonna leave these on. I don't leave it on for longer than 5 minutes. I probably set a timer for like 2 to 3 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the darker it's gonna be. And it does look more scary like on your eyes than it will actually be in reality. So don't take it off too quick, otherwise it's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna set my little timer here and wipe it off. Things are kind of looking a little terrifying here, but don't worry, they won't be this dark Bert and Ernie kind of eyebrows here, I promise. But I will probably go ahead and wash it off. So I just have a washcloth here, and I'm just going to wash off the eyebrows. And so cute. Already love them. And so now I don't have to fill in my eyebrows for this week. I'm just gonna kind of brush these up how I like them. And ta-da! That was probably my go-to favorite. Let's move on to number 2. Okay, beauty DIY number 2 that is so freaking awesome. It doesn't require a lot of items or materials. You can actually just use some household things, and unfortunately I don't even have any more. I actually love this one so much that I make a lot of this and store it, and I keep it in my refrigerator in a Tupperware just like so, because I use this probably once a week, and it acts as like a really good like exfoliator for your skin, and it will leave your skin glowing so pretty. It just has, so what I'm going to use is, first of all, I have just some turmeric powder that I got from the grocery store. I got this one from Sprouts. I'm going to mix it with some sugar and lemon juice, and I actually squeeze probably like a solid, like all the liquid in here is mostly lemon juice. I might add a little bit of water, but you can see the consistency here. It's kind of thick. You want it more as like a paste, so you don't want it to be too watery or too runny. And again, I personally like to keep this in a Tupperware and use it all the time. I will add a little disclaimer here, because you do not want to leave this stuff on too long. It will literally turn your skin orange or yellow like one of the Simpsons, and I'm sure that's not what you're going for. Also, please be advised that don't get it on your towels, or try not to get it on your if it gets on your countertop or something, that's okay, just wash it off right away. But if it stays too long on the countertop, it too is going to color it yellow. So be careful. But anyways, I am going to just add this to my face and leave it on for probably, I don't know, I like to leave it on for maybe like 3 to 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Again, not too long. So I am just going to leave it on. As you can see, I was using like a circular motion to kind of scrub it in my skin to kind of act as that exfoliator. I actually did it on my lips too. Technically you could eat it if you want. I mean, it is sugar, lemon, and turmeric. Kind of tastes weird, but anyways, I'm going to leave this on for a couple of minutes, and then again, I'm going to use a washcloth and wipe it off. So I just wiped off my mask, my exfoliator, my turmeric and sugar scrub. I left that on for about 4 minutes or so. And so now I just got it all scrubbed up, and you can already see it's leaving me with just this such a like pretty glow on my skin, and I love it. But for even a bigger glow up per se, I have one last DIY beauty trick for you guys, and this is beauty trick number 3. Beauty trick number 3. I have already started here a little bit. I just have a bowl, and I cracked 2 egg whites in here, and I'm going to froth this up just using like a whisk. I just want it to be a little bit frothy here and bubbly. So I'm going to continue to whisk these egg whites. This kind of looks disgusting, but I swear by it, you guys. And I also have here just a makeup brush. I have already washed this one, so this one is fine to use. And I'm going to dip it in here and literally paint this on my face. So now I have this substance of the egg whites that I just brushed all over my face. And you can see some areas are a lot thicker than others. I'm literally going to let this dry until my face is so tight. It's going to like pull your face kind of tightly. Like almost, this is almost as good as one of those like Hanukkah masks that you've been seeing going around, I'm sure, on social media, where like it makes your face look super weird. It's not quite that good, but it's almost as good. And for just some egg whites, it's a pretty good little beauty regimen that is really gonna leave your skin just so glowing, and I think that you guys are gonna like it. So now this is pretty dry on here. You can see like I can't really, like my whole face is really stiff on here. So that means we have left it on long enough, and it's time to wash it off and be ready for that glow up. I think that all of my DIYs worked out pretty well. I'm thinking my eyebrows look pretty good, and I got this pretty fresh glow, and it is Friday, so I am ready to get my face on now and take my beautiful glowing skin out in the town. Hey guys, I am in my bathroom, and I am going to stick to that, but and they help keep your skin looking so fresh and so young, and that's why my skin looks so good right now. Just kidding. But it's gonna look better. So I have a couple of different DIYs for you to try